Hey guys, welcome back to the Investing House. I am Brian, and today is Sunday, August 1st, and I will be going over my income from online stuff. Mostly, we're going to talk about my Amazon FBA income, my profit from that, my dividends that I received on Robinhood, and also my options that I received from trading them. Selling options is what we're going to talk about. So, before we get into that, go ahead and smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this type of these type of updates and income. And then go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you something that you liked. I would appreciate it, and it would really help out with the YouTube overlords. And let's get into it. So I'm going to get my ugly mug off of the screen here and we'll go straight over to Robinhood. So we're going to go into my account, history, and we will just sort by dividends. And this month of July, I only received dividends from monthly payers, from my monthly dividends. So we're going to go over that, and I will go ahead and pop up my calculator and we can add them all up. And let me move that on over here. And we're going to start with dividend from Main Street Capital is 9.87 plus my dividend from Stag. So Stag is a REIT. I've got a couple REITs, a couple of covered call ETFs. Main Street Capital is a lending company. I'll do another video that just talks about these a bit more in depth and how they actually pay their dividends every month. I like monthly payers because it just gets the money into my pocket and then starts working immediately. So 987 from Main Street, ticker symbol MAIN, and then 943 from Stag, and then 1859 from Realty, and then 5068 from the ticker symbol is QILD. They're a NASDAQ 100 covered call ETF. I've done a couple of videos about those, and I will link them up in the corner. That was 5068. That is the highest I've received from them so far. And then 944 from the Amplify CWP Enhanced Dividend Income. That ticker symbol is DEVO. They are a monthly payer like all of the other ones. And so that brings my total to $98.01. So that is great for me. And I've got that up here in my charts. We're going to put that in here, 98.01 for dividends. And then I'll hop over into my other sheets. So this is one of the sheets that I use to track my dividend or my options income. I've made this up myself. If you want a copy of this, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will get in contact with you, or follow me over on my Instagram page at The Investing House and follow me there, and you can shoot me a DM if you want a copy of this spreadsheet. But we can see here in the month of July, I had a total of 13 trades that I made of selling calls or puts. And you can see my ticker symbol here, whether it was a call or a put, and the strike price at which I sold it, entrance date, expiration date of the contract, how many contracts I have sold, the amount of money that I received in premium, which is one of my favorite ways of making money, is receiving premium. And then if I buy to close, that will be here in the out. So in is money coming into my pocket, out is basically buying to close. If that doesn't make a lot of sense to you, go ahead and click on the video up in the corner here or down below, and we can go through what that actually means together. Anyway, the total profit or loss so far is $2,037 for the month. So I still have 4 options here that all expire in the next month or two. So this will end up going down probably about $200 to $400. But for now, we're going to use $2,037 as the income. So $2,037, which brings the total to $2,135.01 so far. And go ahead and smash the like button for that, and also for me being so cool and weird, whatever. But we're going to end with my Amazon FBA business. And so we'll hop over here into my business reports, and we will change the date here to July 1st to July 31st. Click apply, and you can see here I sold $17,807.29. So we will go ahead and look at that up here in the corner on the calculator. So I profit about 25 to 28% a month, depending on how much I do in how much I spend on ads. So we'll do 0.29 times 0.25, 25%. So that is $4,451. Let's go ahead and add that over here to our spreadsheet. 4451 point, we'll say 82. That brings the grand total to $6,586.83. All right. So that, my friends, is how I make my 3 extra sides of income. Are they the highest you've ever seen on the internet? Probably not. But that's okay, because that's how I do it. I haven't been doing my investing stuff for more than I started in April last year, and that was a great time, but then I ruined it by not knowing what I was doing, which is very dangerous. Sadly, a lot of people do it. So if you're watching this video, if you've made it to this point, I would highly suggest start with trading paper stock. It is a zero risk. It's not real money, but you get the concept down and you can try different strategies out. And in the meantime, if you want to be investing, put your money into just a regular ETF that tracks the S&P 500 or the total market. I think those are great ideas to just get your money invested. Again, this isn't financial advice, but if I could go back and give myself advice, so this is future Brian giving advice to former Brian in the past, that's what I would do. Is I would paper trade, learn how to do options correctly, and then do paper trading, and then invest in ETFs while I was learning how to do it properly. So that is what I would do if I were me back in the future, present, past, in the past. So if you've made it this far, please comment down below how beautiful my eyes look in this video. Not wearing glasses. I normally do, but enough rambling. Let's wrap this thing up. There is $6,586.83 that is extra income that I have done very little work. So a lot of people talk about passive income. I will always say it's passive income or semi-passive. It is a lot more semi-passive because you have to do a little bit of work. I understand a little bit of what you're doing, but am I physically there doing all these things? No. That is what makes this type of income so great, so powerful. And I'm reinvesting all of it. So I reinvest my Amazon money into my Amazon business, and then I reinvest my dividends and my options into more of my investments, into more dividend paying stocks, more stocks that I can sell options on, sell covered calls on. And that is how I personally am able to make $6,000+ a month. And this is not the end all be all. I'm trying to get to $10,000 a month, and then 25, and then 50,000, and then by then, I'll be filthy rich. That's not true. I just want to be able to retire and have work be optional for me. And if that's what you like, and if you've made it this far, you better smash that like button, baby. Thanks for coming. Go ahead and click any of these videos over here if you want to learn more about all this sweet, sweet money. Until next time, see ya.